As a child, with my family, we would ride through this place called the Rainforest on island. The Rainforest was this Sunday drive to us. It wasn't overly exciting. It was just something our mom and dad just felt like, hey, it'd be good for the kids to ride out. I didn't have an appreciation of it because I didn't really take nature seriously when I was a kid. As an adult who has traveled to other places where their nature, where their environments are seen as the thing that makes people love that place, I'm so proud to finally come home and realize that I have here in my home what people would love. And so every time I meet someone who moves to St. Croix and I ask them why St. Croix, and they always talk about the beauty of it. They always talk about how they are captivated by how the beauty of this island is put together. And so on the west end of the island, you have a rainforest. And on the east end, it's not as lush, but it's still green. It's not a desert, but it's sometimes dry. So much variety in one island. Not really the biggest island in the Caribbean, not really the smallest island in the Caribbean. And I call this place my home. My name is Joseph Bess. I am Nomadeennoir, and I keep daring you to find yourself.